day, my friends. Let's learn something new today.
Okay, let's have a look at today's lesson. I haven't yet. Present perfect simple. The objective is going to be to learn how to use haven't or hasn't yet with the present perfect simple. And once again, the lesson is made by Alfred Krobler. Okay, let's see. What is it? The present perfect simple links the past with the present. That we've seen in how many videos now already, and we've explained it. Also, if you watch the explainer video, it's like a bridge between the past and the present. It focuses on experiences with present relevance. We often say something hasn't happened yet, or until now, put it this way, right? It emphasizes the unfinished nature of an action. Let's dive in. Let's look at the structure, right? That's also very important. I've told you guys that many times already, that the structure of forming a sentence in English is very important. Negative statements, I, you, we, they, haven't, plus the past participle, plus yet, right? Example, I haven't eaten yet, or I haven't gone out yet. I haven't answered the phone yet, something like that, right? That's just some examples. Let's go have a look at the next one. Negative statements. He, she, it hasn't, right? But don't forget, you can see once again, I, you, we, they is running together. He, she, it is running together. Hasn't. Plus the past participle plus yet. For example, he hasn't finished his homework yet. She hasn't gone to 7-Eleven yet, right? That is just some of the examples, guys, on how to form your sentences. And of course, the word order. Guys, don't forget how important the word order is with anything in English. Your word order is very important. I've noticed that in many classes I have taught in Thailand and Cambodia and Vietnam, that the word order is sometimes the students struggle to get right. Guys, honestly, practice it. Make sure you get it right. Yet usually appears at the end of a sentence, right? Very important, guys. Don't go and put it anywhere else but at the end. There are very seldom cases where it will not be at the end. Okay, guys, that's why it's very important to get your word order correctly. Okay. Let's go crazy with some examples, righto. And here you see a lot of examples coming up on the screen, righto guys. I haven't seen the new Star Wars movie yet. She hasn't called me back yet. We haven't decided on our vacation yet. I haven't decided on which lesson will be next yet, right? Guys, this means that you haven't done it recently, or you do plan to get it done very soon, right? This puts a significant meaning to your question or your statement about something, right? It does, really it does. If you watch the other video I made about the explanation about using it, you'll see exactly how she explains it over there. Okay, as you can see, the examples have popped up already over here. That wasn't supposed to have been like that, but okay. Most of these videos or slides have been made with AI. Just the animations is done by myself, all right? But sometimes, yeah, slip-ups do happen. Okay, guys, let's go and have a look at questions with yet. Okay, the first one is a structure, of course, right? Have plus I, you, we, they. So you're going to say have I, have you, have we, have they, plus the past participle, yet, right? For instance, have you eaten yet? Have you written a story yet? Have you done your homework yet, right? And of course, the other one, the structure is has, he, she, it has, she has it, plus the past participle, plus yet. Has she called you back yet? Has she done her homework yet? Righto, guys. As you can see again, he, she, it sticks together and it's got has, and I, you, we, they is with have. I have, you have, we have, they have, he has, she has, it has. Righto, guys. That gives us, and now of course, the placement. Righto. Yet is usually placed at the end of questions. Yes, guys, it's very important to remember that. Okay, if you're going to be placing it here in the middle of the question, it won't make sense. Right? It is normally right at the back of the question, at the end of the question. Very important to remember that, guys. Okay, let's go for it. Practice. Complete it. My gosh, guys, you just don't get away from it, huh? Do you? Righto, guys. Here's a whole lot to practice, right? The top half, there's 3 that you should do. You just need to complete this little portion over here. And of course, the other ones, you must write questions with yet. Righto, guys, if you're not sure on how to do this, you can just page back in the video and you'll see exactly how to do it. This time around, I'm not going to give you the first one because this is pretty simple and very easy. Right, and again, like always, I think it's time to pause the video, complete all the work in your notebook or in your file, wherever you're doing it. And once you've done, we can continue watching the video and check the work that you have done. I'm going to give you a minute or 2 to complete the answers.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, like always, I assume that you paused the video and that you did all the work. And it's now time for us to check your answers. Righto, guys. The first one, I haven't seen the new art exhibit yet. She hasn't visited her grandparents yet. They haven't finished the project yet. Like again, guys, I, right? She, he, it has. I, you, we have, right? Don't forget that. That is something, guys, really, you must write it down, study it. All those little tables you saw in previous videos, learn them off by heart. It's important. Righto, guys. Let's continue. Write some questions with yet. Okay. Righto, here it is. Your friend has a new job. Perhaps she hasn't started it. Ask her, have you started your new job yet? Right? Or you can even put her name in as well, or if you can ask her directly. But when you're asking her, sorry, have you started your new job yet? Good enough. Tom is trying to sell his house. Perhaps he has sold it. You ask a friend about Tom. Has Tom sold his house yet? Righto, guys. I hope you have managed to get them all correct. If you've got them correct, like always, give yourself a pat on the back. Go out, go and have a cup of coffee somewhere, treat yourself, and yeah, you'll be ready for the next one, huh? Okay, guys. Okay, once again, the animation didn't work very nicely. But anyhow, let's go and have a look at it. Practice, ask, and answer. Practice, guys, makes perfect. That's it. Okay, there the animation worked now. All right, we've got points 1, 2, and 3. Let's see what it's all about. First one is a scenario. Scenario means, let's say, the situation, right? Your friend is waiting for a package to arrive. This could be interesting. The question, have you received your package yet? Guys, you see it? It's at the end of the sentence once again, huh? And also, the answer, no, I haven't yet. That means you're hoping to get it soon. Practice asking and answering with yet. Guys, there's only one way out, and that is to practice, practice, practice. For instance, let's say I just said, no, I haven't. That means you're not expecting to receive it soon. But because I put yet here, I'm expecting to receive my package anytime now while we're busy speaking, right? I'm expecting to receive it. Without the word yet there, it will mean, well, I'm not expecting to receive it anytime soon, okay? So that is why it's important to understand how to use yet properly. Okay, we are busy reaching. You can see you've become an expert already in using yet. Let's go look at some key points of the lesson. What should be taking away from this lesson, Haven't, hasn't, yet. Something shows something not done, right? The present perfect connects to the present. Like I explained to you, it's like a bridge between the two. And of course, like every time, keep practicing and learn more, right? Keep practicing and learning more. Guys, there's only one way, really. If you're not planning on practicing and going out there practicing, get a friend, learn together, study together, practice speaking together. If you're not going to do that, why even bother learning it, huh? The only way to learn anything, it doesn't matter what it is, a foreign language, riding a motorcycle, driving a car, no matter what you want to do, if you're not going to practice what you learn, you'll never master it. That is why, guys, honestly, it's important. Practice what you have learned. I hope this lesson has brought you some, or you've gained something by doing this lesson, and that you know how to use it properly. And guys, please don't forget to buy me a cup of